Today I have a brand new sewing pattern. Please meet the Glam and Go cosmetic bag. I love the feminine shape of this bag. It is such a fun sew. It only takes about 4 to 6 hours to make, depending on your skill level. I have placed the Glam and Go at a confident beginner to an intermediate bag maker skill level, and that is because the bag does require binding on the lining. You can go ahead and make your Glam and Go in any combination of fabrics, depending on your skill level and whatever your sewing machine can go ahead and handle. So I've made these two with a printed vinyl for the exterior and a waterproof canvas for the lining. This one, which I made in the sewing tutorial, has a quilting cotton here on the bottom of the bag. And then around the side, we went with a marine vinyl, and the lining, we did the waterproof canvas again. Now, you might be concerned about the lining getting dirty with any makeup or product transfer. Now, you can go ahead and add OD coat or a liquid vinyl. Those are two different products that you can apply to your lining before sewing up your Glam and Go. I'll put links in the description box below if you are interested in purchasing those products. Just make sure you follow the manufacturer's instructions on how to go ahead and apply that before sewing up the bag. As with all of my sewing patterns, I recommend using a woven interfacing on the wrong side of any quilting cotton fabric. So I have used my Sew Woven fusible interfacing on the front and the back bottom panels right here. You can go ahead and purchase woven interfacing on our website if you need some. And then as far as stabilizers, I recommend a Decaville for this bag. You don't need very much. You're just going to need a piece of Decaville for the front and the back back zipper panel right here, as well as the gusset. And then I did use a small piece of a Decaville Heavy for the bottom stabilizer right here to help with the added weight of the products that are inside of the bag. So that is pretty much it for your interfacings and stabilizers. The Glam and Go requires very minimal hardware. Therefore, we did not set up any hardware kits for the Glam and Go. All you need is 2 1-inch wide rectangle rings and 4 rivets. You need 1 to 2 zipper pulls and some number 5 zipper tape. Then for the lining, you are going to need 2 pieces of elastic that are 3/8 of an inch wide, or you can do a wider elastic if you'd like. And that is going to allow you to go ahead and store any of your products upright. I like to keep my makeup palettes in the back, and then I keep all of my makeup brushes on the front panel right there. The Glam and Go is not only for makeup or cosmetics, it is for whatever you think that you can go ahead and store in this cute little bag and you want to tote along with you. You may have noticed over here to my left, I have another version of the Glam and Go, and this is the crossbody purse version. I've included some additional bonus pattern pieces in the pattern if you'd like to go ahead and make a crossbody purse option. Those pieces are a handle, which is a little bit different construction than the handle on the Glam and Go because we have D-rings instead of rectangle rings. You, of course, are going to have a crossbody strap, so I give you the measurements for that. And then I do give you 2 full panel pieces for your lining. So you can make the 2-tone exterior like I have right here, or you can go ahead and make a full solid panel where you feature a larger print for the exterior front of your bag. So that is an option for you. Now I've kept the lining simple. I did not provide any pattern pieces for pockets. So if you want to make your own zipper pockets or slip pockets, go ahead and construct your own pockets however you see fit for the lining of your Glam and Go. I wanted the pattern to be written and focused all about the cosmetic bag version, so you are going to need a little bit of bag making knowledge in order to construct your own pockets for the crossbody purse option. If you're interested in watching the sewing tutorial on how I make up this particular Glam and Go bag, I'll put a link in the description box below so you guys can go ahead and check that out. Purchase the pattern at sewyours.com. Let me know if you have any questions, and happy sewing!